Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open the Messages app and select or create a chat. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And to add a picture, select the Gallery section. Now hold the photo that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my picture was successfully added. If you wish to select a second one, do exactly the same. You need to make sure that the size is right though, so when I try with this, as you can see, both of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!